Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with the trigger on your Dyson SV12 not functioning at all, you're not alone. This problem is often caused by wear and tear or a faulty component inside the trigger mechanism. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further complications or even complete failure of your vacuum, leaving you without a reliable cleaning tool. To tackle this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger assembly specific to the Dyson SV12. First, ensure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by gently prying open the casing of the vacuum with the flathead screwdriver, being careful not to damage the clips. Once the casing is removed, locate the trigger mechanism, which is typically situated near the handle. You will see a few screws holding it in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, but take care not to apply too much force, as this can strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the trigger. Make a note of their positions for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old trigger assembly removed, take your new trigger and align it correctly. Reconnect the cables and ensure they are secure. Replace the screws to hold the new trigger in place, again being cautious with the torque applied. Now, carefully reattach the casing, making sure all clips are secured properly. Plug in your vacuum and test the trigger to see if it's functioning correctly. If all goes well, you've successfully replaced the trigger. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check and clean the trigger area to avoid buildup that can cause malfunction. Additionally, handle your vacuum with care to prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.